What's going on, guys? Karl here, Passion for Unpredictability. Today, I'm not very hungry, but I can always have room for some burnt hamburger patties and extremely burnt, guessing chicken. It's burnt, all right. Let's do this. What's going on, guys? Karl here, Passion for Unpredictability. Fighting mosquitoes. What are you laughing at? Today, I'm gonna eat this burnt shindigs. We got this great, delicious looking hamburger patty, which, I mean, it's not supposed to do that. And then I got this thing, which, I mean, I don't know, can't hear it. I forgot I got a mic on my chest when I used to that. All right, but here we go. We'll eat this. There's a whole lot of burning action going on in my mouth. Oh! These bugs are about to drive me crazy. What seasoning did you use on this? I can taste some charcoal. Or, you got propane, don't you? Or it tastes just like charcoal now, so it's good. It's so hard to chew, and there's no moisture left in it. It's so bitter. I can't wait for the chicken. Oh, almost gagged. I don't know if I can eat all this. Should I just jump to the chicken?
Oh, you can eat all.
Oh. It's so, it's so bad. I can't talk. There's no spit left in my mouth. It's all just went away. It's like I just drank a whole lot of salt and just took all the water in my mouth. I can't talk. It was so bad. How's my homies doing? Over on this side. Oh. Oh. Shut up, bird. God, it can't even feel good. Oh, it's so dry. I feel like I'm chewing for days. I can't even get the. I'm gonna try chewing fast. How's it going, guys? I'm not about to swallow.
You got another half to go.
I'm not about to swallow. I'm not spit it out. Let me prepare myself for what's about to happen. All right, I'm gonna try to swallow it like a pill. I love what you've done with the really crispy flavors. And I'm still chewing on the same freaking piece. I can't get it to go down. I got it this time. I gotta build myself up to swallow it. I can't do it. My body's telling me not to swallow this. I can't eat this other piece. I'm gonna eat. We'll come back to it because this piece of chicken looks delicious. Oh God, man. There's still pieces of meat stuck in my back of my throat. There's a bug in the lens. Go on. All right. Chicken. It smells. You guessed it, burnt. It's not bad. That hamburger. Oh, it's got a little bit of spice on it. That hamburger is pretty crappy. It's like, I'll go on. I got audience keeps trying to buy them. Nobody stops yet. I'm not trying hard enough. It's all good. Found something that's not so good in it. I'm starting to drill a little bit. What happens if you eat too much burnt stuff?
Like food?
Probably. We'll find out, I guess. That's good. Up till the spice wears off. This is not really good. I just hit the mic. This buzz just go on. Trying to enjoy this nice delicious meal and all these bugs in my face. Somebody's gonna get smacked. Could be that bird over there. I bit my jaw. They're just going nowhere fast with us. I got a problem. I don't got that much Coke left. It ain't over yet. We're celebrating. That was almost more than I bargained for there. Woo! That was bad. I can't laugh because pieces of it go back to my throat. I'm trying to build myself up a swallow. Got some up now? Kind of struggle here. It's bad. God, I can't. That was stuck in the back of my throat. I can't swallow it, man. I can't do it. I'm gonna spit it out. Oh, Unpredictability.com. That was delicious. As you saw, I finished the whole thing. I just spit nothing out. Have an awesome day. I got this cord wrapped around my throat. I think I'm gonna die.